So today we have a big project. I have all these coppers, and we got these. We got 3/4, we got 1/2 inch, and we got the whole 1 inch coppers pipes here. So basically, we got this new boiler over here, water heating system. We got this tank. I gotta take this middle tank out, and I gotta install this new one right here. So right now, what I gotta do is I gotta take out. This is I think it's a 60-gallon, I believe, and this is an old tank. So what I have to do is I'm gonna have to replace all these pipes. Replace all these pipes to have a new water heating system here. These are new water heating systems. Okay, so this is right here is the gas line, which I gotta cut. I'm not gonna cut it. I'm just gonna take this off to take this off for here. And once I disconnect this right here, we have the new one I just opened up right here. We got the new tank. So I gotta connect this straight there. And then we have a couple of 1/2 inches, 3/4, and we got a whole inch. And we got this is right here. This is a whole inch right here. So I gotta replace all this piping. So yeah, let's get to work. Okay, so I finally took out the gas line. That was a B to take out because this boiler been here since 2009. So yeah, so I'm taking this out now. Now I'm gonna get my blowtorch to heating this up and take these things down. All right, see you later. Woo. All right, so I already cut one pipe off right here, as you can see, nice and clean. And I use my little Husky cutter. So yeah. Now once we do this, we're gonna take this tank out, and I'm gonna put this tank in there. But I'm solder the whole thing on before I do all that stuff. So yes, let's get to work. Okay, so we knocked down the water heater. We knocked it down. It was really heavy. We had to drain the water, but it was taking forever to drain out because it's an old tank. So I'm about to start welding the top piece for this tank right here, and then from there we'll figure it out. Here goes Puppy. Puppy! Hey! Puppy's always helping me. Operation 007. Okay, so this is the old tank we have. This is the old tank. We put the new one in. Now I have soldered some stuff over there. I have over there. Now I'm gonna have to connect the gas line on this right here, and then from there I'm gonna leave it like this until tomorrow. Then tomorrow I'm gonna have to take all this off right here to install the new joints and stuff. The new valves, put some T's and some elbows, and yes, that's what we gotta do. So for now, let's just connect the gas line. Woo! Okay, so we finally have the gas line installed. This is the pieces that I soldered, and I have put some valves on it, some new valves. This is the old piece right here. This is the new valve. This is, and then tomorrow I'm gonna cut all this off and replace all this old copper. Yes, and then from there it's gonna be awesome. So tomorrow I'll cut this piece up to here and replace all this. So other than that, it's gonna be cool. Yeah. Okay, so I'm about to take some of these downstairs and some of these pipes. I'm about to start working on the water heating system, and it's gonna be official. So let's get to work. My little baby's looking official now. I'm hooking it up. Yeah. It's not part of the video, but hey. Now that I'm down here. Yeah. Alright. Alright, so it's been 2 days later. Now I'm gonna install 3 water systems. The heaters. So got all my supplies. I'm ready to work. So now I left off right here. So now I'm gonna start building the same stem right now. So yes, let's get to work. Okay, so I ready to solder my copper. I got a T on it right now, and I'm using my MAP gas. And yes, I'm ready to solder this right now. So let's get busy. Okay, so basically I installed all this already. Got all my new coppers up, my new valves. And we got all this down pack, And right now I'm working on the last one. Okay, so I already connected this valve right here for the cold water. Now I'm cutting this piece off right here so I can start doing my cold water for my water system. So you see all the black that's back there. These are all the coppers are new ones. All the black ones are the cold valve. So I gotta replace all that right now. So yeah, let's do this job. Alright, so I cut this piece off. And I also cut this piece off right here, as you can see. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm taking this valve off. I'm gonna twist all this off. You see all this old pipes. Take this off and connect this whole new piece off. I gotta do this to each one of them, which I already did my new cold water valve on this side. So I gotta take out the one that's back there. This one I already installed a new one, but I just gotta take this whole T off. And I cut from the elbow down and connect the T here later. And yeah, you got the point. Let's get to work. So I already cut that line out. And this is my new line, which I'm about to install. And this is the other line I cut. So I cut this line up there. And I'm going to drop it down, bring it over here, and bring it up to that side. So let's get to work. This is my new line, my new valve. I'm about to replace right now. This one, this thing is too hot, so I have to burn it out because it's not budging. So I put a WD-40 and now I'm burning this the same way I did to the one back there. So I gotta do the same thing. Steam it up, and then I use my monkey wrench, and then it's gonna budge out. It's been here for like 20 years already, so. Okay, so now it's easier to turn. It's still a little smoky. It's easier to turn now, so it's hard to do with one hand though because I'm recording, but yeah, it came out real good once you burn it. And mind this is an old boiler, so this piece right here is metal. Some boilers have plastic, like this one is like, you know, some of them is plastic. You can't burn it, but this one you could. So yeah, it's looking good. Once I take this whole piece off right now, just turn this. If I could put my new valve like I did on these right here, there you go. And then we throw that over there. Hello, hello. And then I'm gonna burn this out, clean it out real good, and then I'm gonna install my new one that I'm working on that right there. Yeah. So let's get to work. I'm working on my T. I just soldered this right here. Working on my T. It's a little still smoky. And this T goes right here, because this T is gonna have support to lift up this pipe I have up here for that other T I have here. So once I connect this piece right here, it's my valve, it's gonna hold this one up, and then from there I'm gonna connect the other piece and go straight down here if I could connect to this other valve that I'm putting in there. So yes, let's do this. Alright, so I already finished my job. I got my T's, everything, my elbows, everything's good. I can just turn the valve on right now, and everything looking beautiful. We got all the installations of every boiler system in here. We got everything. Now I gotta turn everything on. Beautiful.